நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஜியாகிரஃபியில் இருக்க பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். யூனிட் 1 லித்தோஸ்பியர் 1 endogenetic processes. First choose the correct answer. First question, dash is the rigid outer layer of the earth? Crust. Second one, dash layer is made up of liquid iron, outer core. Third, magma is found in the mantle. Fourth question, the movement of tectonic plates is induced by thermal energy. Fifth one, in the ancient period, Gondwana land moved towards north direction. Sixth one, many million years ago, India was a part of the supercontinent Gondwana. Seventh one, the movement of plates that creates stress and tension in the rocks, causing them to stretch and cracks result in fault. Answer B. Eighth one, dash refers to a bowl-shaped depression found at the top of the volcano crater. Ninth one, the point of origin of an earthquake is called the focus. Match the following. First, endogenetic processes, volcanic. Second, mantle, sima. Third one, sima அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து ரெண்டு இது சிலிக்கான் மெக்னீஷ் ரெண்டு சேர்ந்து தான் வந்து சிமா அப்படிங்கிறது. கன்வர்ஜென்ட் பவுண்ட்ரிஸ், சப்ஜெக்ஷன் ஜோன், earthquake seismograph, composite volcano, Pacific Ocean. 43152. அடுத்து consider the given statements. First statement, Mount Fuji is a dominant volcano. Dormantனா தூங்குறது, உறங்கும் volcano. Number 2, second வந்து Mount Kilimanjaro is a dormant volcano. Third, Mount Tanzania is a dormant volcano. இது வந்து கரெக்ட் என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் மட்டும்தான் கரெக்ட். ஆன்சர் 1 is true. Mount Fuji is dormant volcano. Second statement, magma gushes out when it finds vent. Reason, interior of the earth contains compression hot magma. இதுக்கு வந்து ஆன்சர் A, statement and reason are true. Third one, statement 1, mountain ranges are formed by the collision of tectonic plates. Statement 2, the movement of tectonic plates is due to the thermal energy from the mantle. The answer B, statement 1 and 2 are true. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 2, lithosphere 2, exogenetic processes. Choose the best answer. First question, the disintegration or decomposition of rocks is generally called as weathering. Second question, the process of the leveling up of land by means of natural agents, gradation. Answer C. Then third one, delta is seen in the lower course of the river. Fourth question, karst topography is formed due to the action of groundwater. Fifth one, which one of the following is not a depositional feature of the glacier? Cirque. Sixth one, deposits of fine silt blown by wind is called as loess. Then seventh one, stacks are formed by wave erosion. Eighth, glacial erosion is responsible for the formation of cirque. Then match the following. First one, tributaries. Tributaries na lower course of river. Second one, mushroom rock, aeolian process. Eskers, glacial action. Fourth one, stalactites na karst topography, cliff, action of sea wave. Answer 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. At the statements, consider the given statements and choose the right option given below. First, I-shaped valley is an erosional feature of the river. Second one, U-shaped valley is an erosional feature of the glacier. Third one, V-shaped valley is an erosional feature of the glacier. The answer on the B, 1 and 2 are correct. Then second statement 1, running water is an important agent of gradation. Statement 2, the work of the river depends on the slope of land on which it flows. Option D, statement 1 and 2 are true. Third one, statement limestone regions have less underground water. Reason, water does not percolate through limestone. The statement வந்து right and reason is wrong. Option A. Okay, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 3 atmosphere. Choose the best answer. First question. Oxygen is the most important gas for the survival of living organism. Option C. Second question. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is troposphere. Option A. Third one. Mesosphere reflects radio waves. Option C. Fourth one. The process of change of state of weather from gaseous to liquid state is called condensation. Option D. Fifth one. The sun is the chief energy source of the earth. Option A. Sixth one. All types of clouds are found in the troposphere. Option A. Seventh one. The altocumulus clouds are called sheet clouds. Option A. Eighth one. The monsoons are periodic winds. Option B. Ninth one. Dew in the form of ice crystals is called mist. Option C. Tenth one. Cyclones is called the eye of the storm or cyclone. Option C. 11th one. The vertical movement of air is called air current. Option C. Match the following. First one. Meteorology. Meteorology அப்படின்னா study of weather. Climatology study of climate. Anemometer wind speed. Wind van direction of wind. Mare's tail cirrus. Leeward side rain shadow region. Willy Willy Australia. 3 4 5 2 1 7 6. Next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 4 hydrosphere. Choose the correct answer. First question. The temperature of the ozone water generally decreases at the greater depth. Option B. Second one. Ocean currents are produced due to rotation of earth, variation in temperature, earth's movement. Option D. Third one. Consider the following statements. Most of the fishing grounds occur in areas where the continental shelf is wide. Second, fishing is well developed in warm tropical waters. Mixing of water and cold currents facilitates plant nutrients for fish. Inland fishing becomes significant in India. Option 1, 2, 3 மூணுமே வந்து correct. Option D. Then fourth one. The ozonic ridge comes into existence due to option B. Divergence of tectonic plates. Fifth one. Which of the following indicates the correct sequence of the topography beneath the surface of the sea? Option A. Continental shelf, continental slope, sea plain, sea trench. Then sixth one. Which of the following is not correctly matched? இது வந்து correctly match ஆகலைன்னா option A and C. Gulf Stream, Pacific Ocean, Canary Current, Mediterranean Sea. Then assertion, reason, types of question. First, oceans are always shown in blue in maps. It indicates the natural color of the oceans. Option A. Both A and R are correct and R explains A. Second one. Flat topped sea mounds are known as guyots. Reason, all guyots features are of volcanic origin. A correct, reason wrong. Option C. A is correct but R is false. Third one. Submarine canyons are deep gorges on the ozone floor. Reason, they are mainly restricted to the continental shelf, slope and rise. ரெண்டுமே சரி. assertion, reason ரெண்டுமே correct but not correct explanation. Both A and R are correct but R does not explain A. Then fourth one. Alerts are more common in the Atlantic Ocean. Reason, the marine population at the depth is less. இதுக்கு both A and R are correct and R explains A. Then match the following. Mariana Trench வந்து Pacific Oceanல இருக்கு. Deepest point in the Pacific. Great Barrier Reef வந்து ஆஸ்திரேலியா. Third, spring tides on full and new moon days. Heavy rains decreases salinity in the ocean. Kuroshio Current along the coast of Japan. Continental slope second order landform. Answer வந்து 451263. 451263. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 5 Biosphere. Choose the correct answer. First question, the coldest biome on earth is option A, tundra. Second one, this is the smallest unit of biosphere. Option A, ecosystems. Third one, nutrients are recycled in the atmosphere with the help of certain microorganisms referred to as option B, decomposers. Fourth one, to which climatic condition are xerophytic plants specifically adapted to? Option A, saline and sandy. Fifth one, why is the usage of rainforest biomes for large-scale agriculture unsustainable? Option A, because it is too wet. Then assertion type questions. First one, heterotrophs do not produce their own food. Reason, they depend on autotrophs for their nourishment. இதுக்கு வந்து option A, both A and assertion and reason are true and or explains A. Second one, hotspots are the regions categorized by numerous endemic plants and animal species living in a vulnerable environment. Reason, to manage the and focus on conservation work more effectively, researchers identified hotspots. The answer வந்து option A, both assertion and reason are true and or explains A. Fill in the blanks. First question, an area where animals, plants and microorganisms live and interact with one another is known as habitat. Second one, consumers are also called heterotrophs. Third one, food web is a system of interlocking and independent food chains. Fourth one, a biome is an extensive large ecosystem. Fifth one, the vegetative type commonly found in desert biomes is called xerophytes. Sixth one, estuary is an aquatic biome that is found where fresh water and salt water mix. Okay, அடுத்து இது பாருங்க, ஒரு dates, find out the important dates. World Wildlife Day, October 4th. International Day of Forest, March 21. World Water Day, March 22. Earth Day, April 22. World Environment Day, June 5th. World Ocean Day, December 26th. Next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 6 Man and Environment. Choose the correct answer. First question, all external influences and factors that affect the growth and development of living organisms is environment. Option A. Second question, the World Population Day is observed on July 11th every year. Option C. Third one, the statistical study of human population is demography. Option A. Fourth one, the extraction of valuable minerals and other geological minerals from the mines is mining. Option C. Fifth question, the secondary sector of the economy produces finished goods from raw materials. Option B. அடுத்து match the following. First question, loudspeaker noise pollution. Second, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, Earth Summit 1992, cruciform settlement, T-shaped settlement. அடுத்து statement type question. First assertion, ozone layer in the stratosphere is considered as a protective shield. Reason, it prevents the UV radiation from reaching the earth's surface. It answer option A, assertion and reason are correct and or explains A. Second one, in tertiary activities, instead of producing goods by themselves, they are in process of production. Reason, people in tertiary activities are purely eco-friendly. The answer C, A is correct but R is incorrect. Okay, friends, அடுத்த யூனிட் பார்க்கலாம். Unit 7 Mapping Skills. Choose the correct answer. First question, dash indicates the purpose or theme of the map. Title. Option A. Second one, standard symbols that are used in maps to convey a definite meaning are called conventional signs and symbols. Option A. Third one, GPS consists of constellation of 24 satellites. Option B. Match the following. The art and science of mapping, cartography. Actual shape of the earth, geoid. Navstar USA. 3, 2, 1. Then assertion type questions. The points at which the vertical and horizontal lines of the grid intersect are called coordinates. Reason, the lines that run horizontally and vertically are called northings and eastings respectively. The answer B, both A and R are true and R does not explain A. Option B. Second one, the legend of a map does not help us to understand the information in a map. Reason, it is usually placed at the left or right corner at the bottom of the map. A is false, R is true. Option A. Okay, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 8, Disaster Management, Responding to Disasters. Choose the correct answer. First question, one among the following is not the first responder in case of a disaster. Option C, insurance agents. Second one, drop, cover, hold is a mark, drill, a vowel for. Option B, earthquake. Third one, when you happen to see a fire break out, you will make a call to. Option B, 112, 112. Fourth one, which of the following statements is untrue? If seawater recedes back, run to higher places is for flood. Fifth one, which of the following statements belong to responding to earthquake? Option C, stay away from glass, windows, outside doors and walls and anything that could fall. Okay friends, இதோட நமக்கு 9th standard geography ஃபுல்லாக book back questions முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ.